2024 Ford Edge L redefines styling and power, arriving in April. The all-new Ford Edge first surfaced on the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's website in China in August of 2022 as part of the SUV's homologation process. But that wasn't the last we saw of it. Just last month, we caught a glimpse of this bad boy undergoing cold weather testing, sporting a vibrant and colorful wrap that made it impossible to miss. But wait, there's more. The Ford Edge has just made its official debut in China under a brand new name, the Edge L. And let us tell you, this is not your grandpa's Edge. It looks and feels vastly different from its predecessor, inside and out. 2024 Ford Edge L Preview. Get this, the Edge L is the next-gen successor to the Edge Plus, and it's packing some serious heat. It boasts a 3-row layout with 2+2+3 seating, making it an absolute monster of a family vehicle. You won't find anything else like it on the market, especially not the puny Equator. This thing is massive, stretching a jaw-dropping 196.9 inches, 5,000 millimeters, in length, 77.2 in, 1,961 millimeters, in width, and 69.8 in, 1,773 millimeters, tall. And that's not all. It's got a wheelbase of 2,950 millimeters, 116.1 in, and rides on shiny alloys as large as 21 inches. Exterior of Ford Edge L. You won't believe the design of this thing. I mean, it's practically a requirement to have a light bar on cars nowadays, but the Edge L takes it to a whole new level with a wide LED strip connected to the daytime running lights, creating a fierce unibrow effect. And don't even get us started on the imposingly sizable front grille and sleek pop-out door handles. It's like something out of a futuristic sci-fi movie. But wait, there's more. When we first saw the Edge L on the MIIT website, we couldn't help but notice the beltline, which is just plain bizarre. It rises abruptly ahead of the C-pillar and then gradually comes down after it. It's like nothing we've seen before. And speaking of the pillars, we spotted a conspicuous L logo on them. Strange, right? Interior of Ford Edge L. The 2024 Ford Edge L brings the heat inside, too. The dashboard is a thing of beauty, with a generous screen of real estate. We are talking a whopping 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster joined by a massive 27-inch touchscreen. That's right, 27 inches of pure, unadulterated tech goodness. And that's just the beginning. The SUV is loaded with all the amenities you could ever dream of, such as a head-up display, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a huge panoramic sunroof. And get this, it even has reclining second-row captain's chairs. How fancy is that? It's also equipped with up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems. Powertrain of the Ford Edge L. This vehicle is no slouch when it comes to power, packing a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine that cranks out an impressive 249 HP and 279 lb-ft, 378 Nm, of torque. For those who want even more oomph, Ford will also offer a 7-seat SUV with a self-charging hybrid system that delivers the power of 271 horses and around 300 lb-ft, 405 Nm, of torque. Both versions of the Edge L are equipped with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, making them the perfect companion for any type of driving condition. With a full gas tank and fully charged battery, the hybrid model can cover a staggering 738 miles, 1,188 kilometers. That's like driving from New York to Chicago and still having gas to spare. Incredible, right? Arrival. Now, you might be wondering when you'll be able to get your hands on one of these bad boys. While the Ford Edge L hasn't made an appearance at any auto show in China yet, there's a chance it might show up at the 2023 Auto Shanghai in the second half of April. And if you're eyeing the gasoline model, mark your calendars for its scheduled release in April. As for the hybrid version, you'll have to wait until July. Trust us, though, it'll be worth the wait. However, it is still unclear whether this model will make it to the shores of the UAE or not.